Splash Mountain was conceived by Imagineer Tony Baxter in 1983. It's a log flume-style ride that was Disney-fied with classic Disney music and their state-of-the-art audio animatronics. The plot behind Splash Mountain is based on the 1946 animated Disney film Song of the South. It follows Brer Rabbit, who leaves his home in search of adventure, but encounters Brer Bear and Brer Fox, who are determined to catch him. When Brer Fox does eventually catch Brer Rabbit, this is when we follow him down the 52-foot drop into the Briar Patch. Brer Rabbit escapes uninjured, and the other animals rejoice to have him back home, safe and sound. Splash Mountain opened in Disneyland in California in 1989, and then followed by Tokyo Disneyland and here at the Magic Kingdom in Florida in 1992. There was a fourth version of the attraction scheduled to open in Disneyland Paris, but it was scrapped due to budget concerns and also the colder weather in Europe. Then in 2020, it was announced that both the California and Florida versions of the attraction would be changed and rethemed to the 2009 animated movie, The Princess and the Frog. So far, there's no official date as to when that change is going to take place, but to be honest, it could be any day now.
That's what we know. Pretty good shows your bone. Pretty good shows your bone. How do you do? Fine, how are you? How you got on? Time to get moving along. It's time to get moving along. Time to get moving along. I'm looking for a little more adventure. He was heading for a little bit of thunder. I'm looking for a little more time to get moving along.
Look yonder. There goes Brer Rabbit.
Hey y'all, hold up there. I want you to see this here. I did declare Let it go! I got you, Ray Rabbit. We'll show you a laughing place. I told you they had it. Hey, don't be starting to run into trouble. Home sweet home is the
Wow, what a fun ride. I will admit, when I was a kid, I did not like this ride at all, but it was one of my sister's favorites, and my parents not being rides people, I was the one that got stuck having to take her on, and like I said, I was just pretty much terrified of that big plunge. But over the years, I've stuck with it, and I've continued to try it because I know it actually is pretty fun once you get over that fear of the fall. And now, it's not necessarily my favorite in the entire park, but it's definitely up there, and I really do enjoy it. As sad as I am to see some of these characters go, like Brer Fox, Brer Rabbit, I do understand the need to progress forward and continue to innovate. So I am really curious to see what they do with the Princess and the Frog retheming. When the movie first came out, I didn't immediately go and see it, but shortly after I did go and watch it, and I will say it's quickly become one of my favorites. The music is just outstanding, and I can't wait to hear it while you're in the logs, maybe going down the bayou. So I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and I can't wait to see what they do with it. Since this may have been our last ride on Splash Mountain, I thought it only fitting to share with you another fantastic press coin design by our friend Don Cade. This design shows Brer Rabbit all packed up to leave his home he is known for just about 30 years here in Splash Mountain, leaving the laughing place. This coin is a wonderful way for us to commemorate this one-of-a-kind attraction. Thanks for taking one last ride with me on Splash Mountain and for allowing me to share with you Don's fantastic press coin design. Who knows, maybe once the new Princess and the Frog retheming is completed, we might find a new press coin machine there, or maybe even a beignet stand. Fingers crossed, who knows. I think all of that would be fantastic, but only time will tell. As always, thanks for joining me again today. I really do appreciate you tagging along while we take one last plunge down the Briar Patch. As always, take care, and don't forget to make it a zippity-doo-dah day.